Hello everyone. So welcome to the first SEO mistake that we will be discussing today in our second video of this whole course where we are discussing 100 common SEO mistakes that we have learned over the years from our experience with different um, clients in different sectors and in different industries. So the first mistake that that I really want to talk about, it's the fact that most people ignore core web vitals. So core web vitals, these are not just scores. These affect your loading speed, interactivity, and visual stability of your website. So these are very comprehensive metrics for tracking your website's interactivity and the user experience someone is having with your website. For example, whether is your website is interactive. For example, if I click on a button, whether it loads something, or is it interactive to the screen size of my website. Like interactivity can have very broader meaning. So this needs to be taken care of specifically with keeping users experience in mind, and then visual stability. So this is like, if you have ever experienced, once you load on a website, the website is not stable. So one of the button is up where somewhere in the upper side of the page, and then when you it is fully loaded, it's somewhere in the middle or below, or in the even near the footer of the page. So it means the website page is not stable. There is no visual stabilities. Buttons keep floating from here and there. So that can affect our website SEO as well. So core vitals they require a separate course uh, as well, if you need to explain it, if you need to understand these fully. But this was the one of the most common mistake that's being kind of that's being done by the website owners when they are doing SEO for websites. So how do you check core vitals? You go to Google Search Console. There are options for you. Yeah, it's very easy. You can just Google it as well. And then there's a official tool from Google as well, where you can put a page which will load the core vital results from the laboratory as well, from the laboratory test as well, and from real users data as well. So yeah, this is one of the most common mistake, and I hope you will consider this in your SEO journey, specifically the loading speed, the interactivity, and visual stability of the website. And if you are avoiding it already, then that's very good. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and write in the comment if there's anything that needs more explanation, or there is anything you would like to see on this channel. Thank you.